fucking briars. I'm wrapped up in everything. Fucking goddamn fucking briars. Break your fucking hand. Mixed in with fucking ivy. You bastards doing fucking everything. Fuck's sake. Get out. Behind endless fucking briars. Now, that opens that right up, actually. Fucking does. Right. That's enough for now. Cut down all this here. Try and just open up a little bit of light in through. Everything used to come down the pathway, over the river, and used to go off through that archway almost, and through those trees. Where's the archway? There it is. Through those trees to the far side of the bog. The plan is to kind of open all this up, but after just even a little bit of prying through it this evening, that's not going to be an easy feat. Especially when it's so warm. Yeah, so that's the story. Yeah, I've nothing else to say really. That's it.